Hey, what's up everyone? It's the Tastemaker, and today it is the official day of my giveaway. Now, I have been talking about this giveaway the entire month of January, and it is finally here, and I am so excited to announce that I have officially reached 11,000 subscribers. Now, just for a recap, I did have 4,000 subscribers, a little bit over 4,000 at the beginning of January. So as the year came in, I had maybe about like 4,300 subscribers, and by the end of January, I actually had 10,000. And here we are at 11. So I just want to say thank you so much to every last one of you guys who have subscribed to my YouTube channel. A lot of you guys came from my Mina wig video, and that video did so amazingly well. I did not expect that, and I just want to say thank you to everybody who has supported my YouTube channel thus far. People that are constantly commenting on all of my videos, liking all of my videos, sharing it with your friends and family. All of those things really have helped me get to where I am right now, and I just want to say thank you guys for all of your support. And my way of saying thank you, of course, is to give back to those who give to me. Now, for those of you guys who aren't familiar with how I do my giveaways, this is how I do my giveaways. I ask a question about myself that if you are a true subscriber, you would know the answers to. And then whoever gets the answer correct, the first person to get it correct, that's the person who wins the giveaway. Now, I did this in my previous giveaway, which was my 2,000 subscriber giveaway. That was back in July of last year. And I just want to make sure that I am actually giving something to the people that support me, because there are a lot of people that have giveaways and they give things away to someone random. To me, that doesn't make sense. I think you should support those who support you and give back to those who give to you. So that's why I do my giveaways this way. I ask questions, personal questions about myself that my true subscribers would know, because that means that you're following me on my social media. And speaking of such, this giveaway will require you to follow me on my Instagram account. So if you have not already, make sure that you are following me on Instagram and that you are subscribed to my YouTube channel in order to enter into this giveaway. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the items that I will be giving away today. And I am so excited because a lot of these products are my holy grail products. These are things that I use on a consistent basis, and I always talk about them. So I wanted to make sure that I can give one of you guys a lot of the things that I like. And also, there are a couple of things in this giveaway that are fairly new to me, and I'm actually wearing one of them right now, but we'll get to that in just a moment. So the first thing that I will be giving away is this right here. This is the Mario Badisco spray. Now, if you guys watch my January favorites, this was actually featured in my January favorites video. If you haven't watched that, check it out, links up there, go watch it. But this right here pretty much is like my new holy grail. I'm late to the game as far as this is concerned, and this is for all skin types. So this is something that anybody, if you win, you don't have to worry, is it gonna work for dry skin, oily skin, combination skin? This is for all skin types. This is a setting spray. It helps your makeup last all day, and it just gives you like a nice finish. They also have the purple one that gives you like a dewy finish if you like that kind of look, but this is one of my holy grail favorites, so I will be giving this away in this giveaway. So the next item that I will be giving away is, bam! These are the lashes that I wear all the time. These are the lashes you guys constantly ask me about. What lashes are you wearing? What lashes are you wearing? Now one of you guys gets to get a pair of your own and try them out for yourself. I have them on now. These are my go-to lashes. These are the only lashes I wear. Like, anytime you've seen any of my videos, these are the only lashes that I wear. On occasion, I've worn other lashes, but I end up taking those off and putting these on because these are just bomb. I love these. So I will be giving away the iLure Dramatic number 205s, and if you are interested in purchasing these, definitely watch my everyday makeup routine. I have a full list of all of my products that I use on a consistent basis. Now, this product that I'm about to show you guys is brand new. I bought one for myself yesterday and one for one of my subscribers, and that is this bad boy right here. This is the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter, and this is in the shade Molten Gold or Fondue. I like molten gold a little bit better. So yeah, I love this freaking highlighter. It is so gorgeous in gold. You guys can see that there. I have it on my nose today, in my inner eyes. I have it there, and I have it on my cheeks. And as you guys can see, it is blinding. I absolutely love this. Now this one is a brand new one for one of you. And then I have this one here that I bought for myself. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this one. As you guys can probably see it, but I'm gonna swatch this so you guys can see. Okay, you guys see that, right? Absolutely gorgeous. So I freaking love this. It's very soft to touch, and I like, as soon as I seen it, I was like, oh yes, honey, I have to put this in my giveaway. Somebody else needs to have this along with me. But definitely one of my current favorites, even though I've only had it for like barely of one day. So now for the ultimate thing that I am going to be giving away, and that is a makeup palette. Now this makeup palette is a very new makeup palette with Morphe, and I'm going to show you guys now. This is the Second Nature Morphe palette. This is the 3502. I don't even have this palette. I specifically bought this makeup palette for one of you guys because I only use Morphe. As far as eyeshadows, that's the only makeup palettes that I use is Morphe. Their quality is amazing, and I really love the packaging for this. Now I'm not going to swatch this obviously because I am going to be giving this away, but I do want to at least take it out of the packaging so you guys can get a look at what it so you guys can see what it looks like. So it comes out like this. Trying not to get this dirty, sorry. So it has this like wrapper, bubble wrap or whatever, and then here is the makeup palette. Now this makeup palette looks a lot different than the other Morphe palette that I have. This is my Morphe palette that I use. This is the 35N that I always use, and this is their new packaging. I love this new one. It looks so much more sleek, and it looks more expensive, if I do say so myself. This makeup palette retails for $23, and these, oh, I don't even want to mess it up. I might go back and buy me one, but these are all the colors that you get, and they have names to them, which is something that's new as well. Morphe typically doesn't name their eyeshadows, and none of the palettes that I've had, but this is absolutely gorgeous, and I know you guys can create some really beautiful looks with this. I'm definitely gonna go back and buy this makeup palette for myself. This is actually my first time looking at it up close, because I seen, like, you know how they have like the display one and it's all like jacked up, so I couldn't really get like a real good gist of it, but it looked amazing for the most part, so I said why not go ahead and give this away. But you guys, that is it. So you guys get a makeup palette, a pair of my favorite eyelashes, a setting spray, and a highlighter. So that is everything that I'm going to be giving away today. And now to the actual questions that I have to ask you guys. So if you're ready, here's the question. Question is, what are my dogs' names? I have 2 dogs. What are their names? The spelling doesn't have to be right for one of them, because I know some people, sometimes I spell it weird, but that's not how it's actually spelled. But what are the names of my 2 dogs? I have a white dog and then I have a brand new puppy. If you guys can tell me what their names are. Now listen, in order to tell me and actually enter into the giveaway, you have to send me a direct message on Instagram. Yes, like I said, you have to send a direct message on Instagram. Comments will be disabled on this video for that reason, because I do not want anybody leaving the answer in the comment section down below and ruining this giveaway. So you answer that question for me. That's the first question. The second question that I have is, where was I born and raised? Yes, okay? Now some of you guys should know the answer to this. I say it all the time. It's not like a mystery. I think these questions are fairly easy for anybody who has been following me. You could have just even recently started following me, and you should know the answer to this question if you follow me for real, for real. So, where was I born and raised, and what are my 2 dogs' names? You have to give me both of their names. It can't just be one. You have to give me both of their names and tell me where was I born and raised. So good luck on this giveaway, you guys. thank you once again for subscribing to my YouTube channel, for just supporting me in everything it is that I do, for buying the wigs that I review, for leaving the amazing comments. You guys are always sending me positive energy, and I really love that. It makes my day every time I see one of you guys send me a comment. It really makes me feel amazing just to know that I have people from literally all over the world that are watching my videos, and our family is growing here. We are at 11,000 subscribers and growing, and I'm so excited about this year. There will be a lot more giveaways, so if you don't win this time around, just know that you will have other opportunities throughout the year. And I'm thinking about doing some like hidden giveaways, like not on YouTube, like posting something on Snapchat one day or on Instagram like for an hour, and like doing like something like that, just to, you know, see who's in tune with me. Thank you guys. I'm so excited, and I can't wait to see who wins. All right, you guys, thank you guys so much for your love and support, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.